Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting an update now. Make sure power and connection are ready. Plug the charger in and confirm the watch is at or above 50%. Next, have your iPhone unlocked, connected to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on so the watch app can communicate. Open the watch app on your iPhone, tap My Watch, then General, then Software Update. If an update appears, tap Download and Install. You'll see progress. This step prepares files on the iPhone before transfer to the watch. Once the download begins, monitor the iPhone until it completes. Interruptions slow or corrupt the package. If asked, enter your iPhone passcode or Apple ID password to authorize the install. This verifies your identity and completes security checks. Now the update transfers to your watch. Keep the watch on its charger and within about 30 feet of the iPhone. The transfer uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Be patient. This middle phase moves and prepares system files, then validates them before rebooting. Your watch will install the update and restart. You'll see the Apple logo. Wait, don't interrupt. Once finished, check settings right arrow general right arrow about to confirm the new version. If the install fails, free at least 1 GB of space on the watch, restart both devices and try again. Limited storage or transient faults are common causes. If problems persist, unpair the watch to create a fresh backup, then repair and restore. That often resolves corrupted installs and preserves your data.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.